who can come in and service those fire alarm systems. Now, with the open system, they must have a competitive price to compete with firms that do work at similar or better rates. Now, what the guy that I work with that told me was that we use both systems, but mainly majority of our systems are a proprietary system, in which require you to be an authorized service provider or distributor, and you have to have specific training and specific licenses to be able to be considered those authorized service providers.